Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another daily Innistrad pack opening. Oh, super blurry. Oh, anyway. Yeah, today, tomorrow actually, I will be going to my Innistrad game day. Try and win a full art, Elite Inquisitor. But, if I don't win, then I don't win. I really, really want that card though, because it looks so amazing. Alright, today we start off with a Kinder Catch. We already went through this one, so Feral Ridgewolf. It's a 3-drop, 1/2 with Trample. I guess if you play it with green, then it'd be really good. Especially if you can make its power pretty high up there, then that would be awesome. It'd be amazing. Why doesn't it? There we go. There we go. Okay, so the rest of the comments today we have Altar's Reap, Spare from Evil, Geist Flame, Brain Weevil, ooh, Night Revelers, Ranger's Guile, Silent Departure, and I believe I'm at uncommons. So today we have Village Cannibals. Nice if you're playing humans and your opponent happens to be playing humans, because this thing just gets ridiculously big. It's not only your humans that when they die you get a +1/+1 counter. It's even it includes your opponents, all humans. So that's really cool. Oh, super blurry. Sorry. Come on. There you go. Now you can see that. Okay, and the rest of the uncommons today we've got. Ooh, a Scab Goliath, or Scabe Goliath, if you want to pronounce it like that. Ooh, and a Moan of the Unhallowed. Very cool. Okay, come on. We're hoping for this. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. The rare for the day. Ooh, it's a land. I hope it's a dual land. Dual land. Nope, it's an Aphalia Drownyard. Ooh, this is nice. Here's what it looks like. That's what it does. So, it's a very nice, I don't know if it's very nice, but it's a pretty consistent mill land. I haven't really messed around with black-blue mill. I don't know, are there any black cards that mill? That's an interesting, yeah, I don't know. Darn it. Ugh. Blurry. And not so blurry. Okay, and then we have the token or advertisement placeholder and the dual card, double-sided card of the day. Oh, it's a foil. Ooh, a foil Villagers of Estwald. That's very cool looking. Double-sided foil. Oh. Come on. Wow, it doesn't want to focus. That's very cool. I like it. Ooh. Nice. Okay, so real quick recap. Come on. Oh, come on. it. Just... There we go. Wow, sorry. I don't know why my camera's being super slow at focusing. I don't know. So today we ended up getting a moan. Oh, now it's grabbing the background. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, darn it. I'm sorry. Well, we ended up getting a Mona the Unhallowed, a Scab Goliath, Village Cannibals, a Nephalia Drownyard, and a foil Villagers of Estwald, which is pretty cool. Thanks for putting up with the camera focusing issue, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Still, okay, we're gonna get awesome mythics in this box. We have to. So, yep. That's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.